The focus of your panel can add a ton of dimension. Bring your reader into your comic by stepping away from the regular focus and adding dramatic and location focuses. Check out how the dramatic focuses really take your panels up a notch. And don't forget that even in the dramatic focuses, you can still shift your characters around by holding the Command key. Next up, we have the location focus. This will show the location that your original panel was in. Let's try it with another background. Let's say we choose a gas station. If we go to the focus and choose location, it'll show that the gas station is in the city. So why don't you try it out for yourself and take your comics to the next level?